guys, this is Adam at Precision Dynamics. In today's video, I'm gonna be swapping out my Vanguard exhaust for this Bomiz valved exhaust. All right, so for those of you who don't know what a valved exhaust is, these are the valves right here, both sides. Basically, you have a control box like this hooked up to the battery in each valve, and then you have this remote. So when you press one button, it closes the valves. When you press the other button, it opens it. So you have the choice basically at the click of a button to be straight piped or have it run through the mufflers. Now with Bomiz, they designed it to be extremely quiet when it's closed. So if you pass by police or you need to be quiet in a residential area, anything like that, click of a button, you're really quiet. And then as soon as you go through a tunnel, anything like that, you open it up and let it rip. So here's the Vanguard off the car, right next to the Bomiz exhaust. Nothing wrong with the Vanguard at all. I just wanted the option to be able to have the car quiet or loud when I want it at the click of a button. It is a great sounding exhaust for anyone who's considered it. It's called the Vanguard Full Catback. Sounds very throaty and mean compared to most other aftermarket exhausts. Now the difference with Bomiz, it's actually fully straight piped with the valves open. So instead of having the valves closed and running through the muffler when you want it to be quiet, once it's open, it's full straight pipe from the cat's back. One more thing I want to show you guys while both exhausts are off the car is that this part right here is an X-pipe segment, so the streams actually cross. This actually eliminates drone, and as you'll notice, the Vanguard has the same thing. That's the reason why I really like both these exhausts compared to most of the other aftermarket ones. They usually don't have that piece right there. So utilizing that, you won't have any drone or minimal drone. All right, let's get to installing it. All right guys, the Bomiz valved exhaust is in. Really easy install. We're gonna go ahead and do a sound clip right now so you guys can see the difference between closed and open.